What's up everyone? I am very excited today to show you about our new update version of the Autobot trading signal. This is the version 2, top up on the previous version 1 that we are using, old-fashioned way. We're working with a website connected to the terminal. And there's a lot of problems onto this kind of connection. So now we have solved the problem by just bring everything into one pack so that you can just click to open the bot on your computer, and then that's it. You don't have to go back to your web browser and connect it to your computers. So this is the reason why we have been spending a lot of times onto the development of this robot. So now let's have a look into the interface and the update, the design that we have been working on to this version. Let me go on to the download. I think I have already downloaded. So if you don't have this version yet, just go to the link down below the video and download the version for you. So it's gonna be free trial for 7 days, so you can use for 7-day free trial. And I also offer a 3-month license free. I'm gonna give you 3 months to use this robot for free. But you have to follow the affiliate link under the description below. Okay, so you can have a 3-month license on the robot. So if you wanted to try longer, so just create a new account and then send me the new account's information, and then I will be update your license for 3 months for you. But for those who don't want to create a new account, so you can use it with your old account, but it's only 7-day free trial, and then after that you need to contact me to to pay for the license, and then you can have a fully monthly basis license. But just try it if it worked for you. If it not work for you, it's just after the trial finish, and then just finish. Okay, so once you download the Autobot, you can see this thing. This is the whole WinRAR zip files. You cannot open directly from this WinRAR file, okay? Because some users, they're trying to open directly on the WinRAR, and then they're trying to open their application from there. So it's not going to work on the WinRAR zip files. So you need to unzip the files and then open the application, okay? And for those who are using Mac computers, so the version of the Mac going to coming soon in next year. So next year, just a couple of days more, and the Mac version will be released. And I also will update the websites. So for the Mac version, so please be patient, maybe in a week more, and then you will have a chance to use for the Mac version. So for now, it's just only for the users on Windows, okay? So let me extract file right here. You need to extract it first. You cannot open it directly. And then after you extract the file, and then you just click on OK. Then you will have the folder. This is the folders of Autobot. And you need to keep the whole folder. You cannot just take only one file of this and then getting out. Nope. You needed to use the whole folder. And just delete the WinRAR one. So because if you are confusing open the WinRAR, so it's not going to work. So just open it in this folder. So you can save it in download, or you can put it somewhere that is easily for you to access. Let me open it. So for now, I just open it directly from the download folders, and then just open the Autobot trading signal from there. This is the application that you need to double click to open it. And the rest of this folders, you just keep it there, okay? Don't change or don't move anything, because it's connected with the designs and with the UIs of the Autobot. So now let's just go on to Autobot signal and double click to open. So let me open. So here is the new look of our Autobot. So you don't have to use the website of old version. The old version using a website right here. It's Autobot signal.io, but I'm going to update the website onto this one like this. So this is the look of the old version. You just get the signal, and then everything just working. It's actually the way the website working, but you need to download this system support. But for this version, you don't have to use the version support, so we can just close it, because right now you have the whole application here already. And right now I have updated a new broker's account, so you can also use it with Olam Trade also. Okay, for the Olam Trade I will show you how you can set up with the Olam Trade, but for now let's stick with the IQ option, and then let's go into IQ option and then we get started with that. So from here you can see this is the login account of your IQ option account. So you just click on you just put your email and password of your IQ option account, and after that just click on login. Just one click, okay, and then wait. Just one click and then wait for it to log in. So when it is logged in, you can see that the button now turned to like red. So you can see that the balance here is showing. So here is the balance of your Autobot. You can have a demo account and you can also have the real account. And the color of the demo account and the real account also different. Green and orange. Okay, so now let's stick with the demo account. We have the demo account right here, and here we have the admin signal, and we also have the private webhook. But for this time you can customize your webhook in the way you like. You can put it into the name or anything. So I will show you how to use with the private webhook later. So now let's go into the Autobot trading signal with the admin signal right here. Just check on the admin signal, and you can just click on start. But before you click on start trading, just check on your money management right here. So let me explain about what is money management right here. We have the amount. This is the amount per deal that you're gonna put. You can put it like $1, or you can put it into $5. It's really up to you, which amounts you are willing to invest onto this the thing. And then we have times. Time is an expiration of the trade per deal. You can put it into 5 minutes or you can put it into 1 minute. It's really up to you. But if you are using admin signal, I recommend that to use 5 minutes. Okay, because the strategy that the admin signal is customized, is working on, is about the 5-minute trading deal. It's not 1 minute trading deal. So if you're using admin signal, so stick that with the 5 minutes, okay? And this martingale strategy. Martingale strategy is about if you are losing and then you want to follow up to recover the lose of the previous one, then you can set it here. You can set it into 2.5 or you can set it into 3. Okay, 3 right here, or 4 is really up to you, but for me I use 2. 2, okay, I just move to my mouth right here. And 5. For me, I recommend it to use 2.5. And the step that you are using with the admin signal, at least 6 steps, because 6 steps is almost 100% guarantee that you will always win in the trade. So this has been proven for a long time with our private Telegram group. So if you are registered as my affiliate with the IQ option account, you create an IQ option account with my affiliate link, then you have a free access of 3 months, and also join our Autobot trading signal group right here. This is day-to-day comment, day-to-day sharing ideas and sharing what is the best time to trade and how many trades you are making profit so far. It is a team that using the Autobot trading signal that they have been profit for a long time, so by using my admin signals. So they've been like updating if this is the win signal, it is a lose signal, why I winning, why you are losing. So we are talking each other. We have over 100 users already onto this group. So if you want to join this group, just sign up your IQ option account with me and get the 3-month license. You have free 3-month license, and then join this group. So if you want to, but if you don't want to and you just stick with the payment of $99 a month, and you don't have to be my affiliate. Okay, so that's it for this setting. And I also have updated the target profit. On the previous version of the Autobot, we don't have the target profit on it. Let me go on to the previous version of Autobot. Let me go in onto these things. So on the previous version, you don't have the target profit here. It's just the signal and private webhook, and then just money management here. That's it. That's all. And with this version, okay, with this version, you can have money management right here. This is a target profit and loss, because some people like to use target profit and loss, based on their daily, target. If you want to use it, yes, you can use it. Let me tell you how you can use. You can set your target profit, correctly. Let's go into check onto this target profit. Once you check on it, and you just set the target right here. So how much profit you want to take? It's TP is taken profit, and it's an SL, it's a stop loss. Let me going to TP, taking profit. So for example, right now on the demo account, we have $6,423 onto our demo account, and we want to take profit from this $6,400 capitals. So to take profit, you need to set something greater than the capital that you have, and then it's profit. When it's greater than the capital, so that is the plus, that is the bonus, that is the profit. And when it is less than the capital, so it's a loss. All right. So let's set it into, if you want to take like $100 profit, you just set it into $6,523. So this is $100 target profit that we are setting right here. You cannot set it into less than the capitals. If you set it less than the capital, it means it's lower than the capital. It means it's a loss. It's not a profit. Okay. If you want to set profit, you have to set it greater than the capital. You need to set it into, if you want to take $200 profit, it's going to be $6,623. So it's going to be $200 taken profit. And you want to stop loss. You stop loss like a little bit lower than the capital that you are setting. You want to set stop loss around $200. It's going to be $6,223. So this is the target profit and stop loss that is going to take, that we are going to take. So when we check on that, and then you can see everything is perfectly fine, and then just click on start. So when you click on start, you can see that the button changed the color, and the word here changed to stop trading. So it means that we are on the process, on the progress of running the robot, and then it will place the trade for us on IQ option. So that's it, for the overview of the use on the Autobot trading signal on IQ options. And okay, let me showing you how to use with the Olam trade. So okay, let's go to Olam trade. Let me stop the trade and then just close it. You need to close it and then reopen it again with the Olam trade account. Let me close it, and then let's go on to Olam trade. Okay, let's go to my Olam trade first. You need to use a Google Chrome, to access to your Olam trade. Okay, it has to be Google Chrome, and then you go into olamtrade.com. Just click onto that one, and then you just log in. Log in to your Olam trade account. So when you log in, you see that you have the demo account here, and you have the real account right there. Okay, that's just an example. And then let's close that down. Let's go into our Autobot. Here again, back to our Autobot signal. So this time we're going to choose Olam trade. Let's go into Olam trade and then click on get started. So at the moment you click on get started, you can see that the way that Olam trade bot working is we don't use the email and password to log in. We're using the session to log in. So how can we get this number of session to log in to our Olam trade? You use Google Chrome to open Olam trade. Then you click on the key icon next to its website. Just click on this key icon, and then you see the word cookies. Just click on cookies, and then you just slowly look for Olam trade right here. Let me scroll down. You see the word olamtrade.com, and then just check on arrowhead right here, and then it will drop down another word called cookie, and then you just click on that arrowhead cookie to drop down. From that, you're just looking for the word session, in cookies, and we're looking for the word session. Scroll down, here we go. Here is the session. Just click on that session, and you will see here we have the name called session. We have the content. This is the number of the content that you need to copy. Just you need to copy this thing. Just scroll down and all the way to the end, and just copy that session, and then back to our Autobot right here. Just place the whole session that we just get it from. Paste. After that, just click on login. Just one click, and then just let go. Here we go. So one is logged in, and you can see that the balance of your Autobot trading signal and also your account, is exactly the same. You can change to real, and you can change this. Okay, let me close that down. Change that to real. $203 on a real account, and $203 in a real account. And you can change back to demo accounts, and you can change this to demo account. So when you see that balance exactly the same, so it means that the robot is connected. And the same thing, you just before you click on start trading, just make sure that all the money management and the martingale, the times, everything is set in the way you expect it, in the way that you want it to be. Okay, I think that's pretty it for our update on the new latest version of the Autobot trading signal. Okay, so now let's talk about the private webhook, because some of the people asking about the private webhook and how to use private webhook into their trading. Okay, if you are using admin signal, there's nothing for you to do with the trading view. You just follow the admin signal. So whenever the signal is sent from our admin server, and then it will place the trade for you automatically. So you don't have to do anything. You don't have to have a trading view account. But if you wanted to use a private webhook, so you need to have a trading view account, and it has to be at least pro account, so that you can have access to webhook. So otherwise you are not able to use webhook. Okay, so for those people who already have experience with the trading view, okay, let's move on, so that we will learn how we can set up our private webhook and create our own strategy from there. Okay, first of all, let's go into a trading view website. So and let me put this into full screen. We go into chart. Then you can see that this is your chart, and you wanted to add any strategy alert into your chart, and then it's going to trigger a buys and sell alert and send it to our Autobot, and then our Autobot will trigger that alert for you. Okay, for example, right here, I'm going to my private webhook, and you needed to set your own secret code right here. For example, right here, I put it into 999, 999. And then I select on my private webhook, and then in your alert right here, for example, you wanted to set a buy alert or sell alert. For example, let me go into set a horizontal support line right here. I want to set a support line right here, and then I want to create an alert of that support line. I wanted to buy when the price is crossing that line. Let me say when it's crossed down, then I'm going to buy. When it's just the price moving to touch that line, crossing down, then it's gonna bring a buy alert for me. So here, you needed to copy exactly the link that I'm using here. Let me go into this alert, and then let me go into this one. Just click onto this one. Okay, let me showing you, what you needed to be, to set on. This is the code that you needed to copy. Site, so it means which one you wanted to set. When I want it to be buy, here I'm gonna change the word from put into call. Call is mean buy, put it means sell. So I wanted to buy here, then I just copy the whole thing. Just copy the whole thing, Control C, and going here, just copy the whole thing and paste it to my alert, my support alert. I'm then gonna put that call. So this is a signal, call alert. And then we have symbol. Symbol, this is the pair of currency that you wanted to use. If you are trading on US dollars, you just put it US dollars here. And this is an OTC. I don't think OTC is working. So OTC is not working on the weekend. So we have the symbol is the currency or the pair of currency that we are using to trade. And then key, you just go on to the key of your setting here. I set the key into 999. So with the 999, you just use that same key into here. Key is 999, just put that 999. And here on webhook, you needed to use exactly the same address that I am putting right here. So you can copy, from the link down below as well. Just copy the whole address, the same as me, and put it into yours. And the key here, you can set it to any key. But for example, here I set to 999, and then you just put the key to 999. So that's it. So one that create, and when the alert is sent to the Autobot, and then Autobot will place that trade on your Olam trade or on your IQ option for you automatically once you click on start. So that's it. So this is how you can set your private webhook and send the alert from trading view and use that alert signal to place the trade for you on your Olam trade or on your IQ option. So that's it for today's video. If you have any questions, so please comment down below, and you can also chat to me on Telegrams, or if you are my affiliate, so yeah, jump into the group right here, and we going to talk every single day on our group about our use of Autobot trading signal. So that's it, guys. Have a happy Merry Christmas and have a happy New Year's. Bye bye.